Hey, bro, let's race to the house. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you cheated, bro. You cheated.
Ooh, mommy's coming. Go, run.
I'm not supposed to be out.
Open the cage, dog.
Open the damn door. Open the door. Ooh, okay. Where's she at? Where's she at? Oh, what the? What's that mean? What's that mean? Or you? I ain't going down there. I got a boo boo boo. Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep. Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep. Play sleep. I had found my stick by the tree by the fence.
And then what happened?
I put it in my mouth, started running around the dog park there. Another dog knocked it out.
No way. You're crying real tears. What's wrong?
It was monster and I found it.
Oh.
Not fair.